Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today is Monday the 9th. I'm finally sitting down to video. I have been so sick and we finally figured out why. I got pneumonia. So I was hospitalized for a little bit, and then I was put on some heavy duty antibiotics, and I am finally able to stand up and be a human again instead of literally dying in my bed. Not literally, but you know, I don't like to say that because of everything that's happened. But anyways, I am finally feeling better. I still kind of have, obviously you can probably hear in my voice, still kind of have some chest congestion and lack of energy and stuff, but I wanted to get this filmed because I don't think my trash is picked up today, and I want to get all this in the trash. So I thought I would do another empties video. I'm not sure how I'm going to do this in the future for the upcoming new year. I do like saving multiple things, but I'm wondering if you guys really care. So let me know if you care or not to see like household and stuff like that. I don't necessarily save everything. It's only kind of when I think about it, or when my kids don't throw things away, or my husband. So anyways, let's just get started. I'm gonna start with household because that to me is the most boring, but I figured I would do it. So I finished up a pack of these Tide pods. I love these. I love that you do not have to measure out your detergent. It's probably more expensive to buy it this way, but when you have teenagers, they can do laundry, and I know they're not wasting. Again, I caught a daughter putting 2 of them in her load of like 2 shirts, but we talked that through. But at least hopefully they won't waste this. I love them. I do have the non-scented now because I've had that rash going on since this summer. So I haven't had it since I've been using the non-fragranced ones. So yay for that. But I do highly recommend these. I did finish up 2 of these. One was from last year that I finally finished. It is the Miss Meyers dish soap. This is in the apple cider scent, and this is in the peony scent. We actually use these for like our hands or to clean out the sink, stuff like that. Otherwise, we use this Palmolive like in our dish washer handle thing. We ran out of this, and so my kids were using this in the dishwasher wand, and the dishwasher wand, I swear it leaks. So we went through this way faster than I would have liked, and I kept telling them, I know this was the only soap we had, so they had to fill it, but I don't like generally using these more expensive soaps in the dishwasher wand soap. That's what I buy this for, but we did go through another one of these. Or maybe this is the one that was empty. I have a new one. So I like this for cleaning my dishes. I like this more for, I soak dishes in this. So if I have like a dish that I used that needs to soak, because it would just be a pain to try to clean it, I will use this to pre-soak it. Otherwise, I use these just kind of sparingly since they are a little bit more expensive and they smell good, where I would use this as just as my heavy duty dish soap cleaner. That's how it is in our house. Okay. My hair is like so straight for me, and I don't know why. So I keep looking at it because it's very odd. All right, I did use up a few scent stuff. I did use another Wallflower. This one I think is in the apple scent. Again, don't like these, just trying to use them up. I think I have 1 or 2 left, and then I will not buy these anymore. I just don't think that the scent lasts. And then I did have a Bath & Body Works, you know, Carpod. I had this for like 6 months. It never smelt at all. I mean, I can smell it if I put my nose to it, but I would think after 6 months it should be, I guess this doesn't go away, this fluid. But I still smell it, but I never smelled it in my car. I did replace it with another one that I had. Don't even smell that one. Let me know if you guys use these and how these work, because I think they're a waste of money. I did use up 2 wax melts. I used up this Scentsy, is that a T? Jericho Mint or Jericho Mint? I'm not sure if it's a T or a J. I think tea. But this smells so good. Like, I think I still have a whole bunch left. It smells very laundry clean. So if you like that scent, I don't know if they even sell that anymore. Again, like I mentioned before, I have so much Scentsy that I am just really am just trying to use it up. I also used up this Yankee Candle fragrance melt in Enchanted Moon. This I got at Walmart. This smells absolutely amazing. I didn't like the dark color. It's kind of a red, and so my kids, which I don't even have young children, cannot help themselves but to put their hands in my matte wax. I do not know how to teach them to stop doing that. I seriously, I don't know what to do. And this made a mess. If you have smart children or smarter children or children that aren't mischievous, I guess these would be good, but I hate when they're colored because I feel like they stain if they do happen to spray or splatter. I did finish up a couple bubble baths. I used up this Equate Kids bubble bath. Don't like it. I feel like this gives me like maybe 4 baths, this huge gigantic thing, and I still don't get very much bubbles, but I finished that. I also finished this Splish Splash Moisturizing Bubble Bath. This I got way more better bubbles than that one. This still probably only lasted me maybe 4 baths as well. But as you can see the size difference, I mean, so I'll definitely probably pick this one up over that one. But this is by Mr. Bubble. So really liked this, really liked the smell. It was a very good, just nice smell, like nothing too strong or extravagant, really nice. So I like that. The other thing I'm going to toss out are these little sugar cubes. I got these in my FabFitFun in the fall. They smell amazing, but they are hard as a rock. Like, are they supposed to be that hard? Like, I even put it in the water and then set it on my soap dish and thought, okay, I'll let it like soften up and then I'll use it. It never softened up. So I think I'm just gonna throw these out because my kids won't even use them. They're hard, I don't know. Let me know if you've used these and if they're supposed to be like that. Maybe I just don't know what I'm doing. We also used up this Caress Evenly Gorgeous for Radiant Skin Body Wash. I love Caress. We are trying to get off using bottled body soap. I used to use this and I hated bar soap, but I think I'm gonna start buying bar soap. I feel like it's a little bit better cost effectiveness wise. So I do like the Caress body bars and I like the Olay and stuff, but I haven't bought any since I haven't bought any body wash since this one, and I do miss it because this does smell really good. And I would repurchase this if I was buying body wash right now, but as of right now I'm not. So there's that. My kids did finish up their Suave shampoo and conditioner. They love this stuff. I don't, but they do. So finished up that. I've already repurchased it probably twice. I probably have an empty one up in their bathroom right now. They go through shampoo and conditioner so dang fast, so fast. All right, I did end up dyeing my hair right before I got sick, so I haven't really gotten to enjoy it. As you can see, most of my highlights are out, and ever since I dyed my hair doesn't really curl. So I don't know what's going on, but I used the L'Oreal one, and I'm just throwing this out. I do like that dye. It was just kind of a cool ash brown is what I dyed my hair as. I like it. It works. I did use this mica sample of conditioner and shampoo. I love mica products. I think they are absolutely amazing. Their smell alone makes them so worth it. I mean, they smell so good, so good. So I don't know if I'll necessarily run out and buy this. If I see it at TJ Maxx, I always pick up their conditioner, shampoo, or hair mask. Or dry shampoo if I ever happen to find, or dry conditioner if I ever happen to find those there, which I never find those there, but I would definitely stock up. Those are great. I also finished this red pimento hair growth oil. I use this along with castor oil to help my hair growth. I lost pretty much 75% of my hair 2018. and I've been trying to grow it back and thicken it back up, and it's getting there. It's, I mean, it's getting there. But I definitely think this worked. I'm not rebuying it again because I can't get past the smell. It just smells horrible, like so bad that I just don't even want to buy it again. But yeah, oh yeah, I can't do it. I can't do it. I'm just gonna stick with castor oil, which I think works just as well. I think this might work better, but I'm happy just using the castor oil. So if you want to help hair growth, definitely check this out. I got it on Amazon fairly cheap, so definitely give that a try if smells don't bother you. I did finish this La Roche-Posay body conditioner, and or not body conditioner, body lotion. I really did like this. I got this in a Allure box maybe, but finished that up, liked it, thought it was nice. I would buy that again. Let's do vitamins, and I did use up this hydrogen peroxide. I love this. I use this to clean my derma roller for my face. So I used it to do this about once a week. I'll hydrogen peroxide it. I don't know if we're supposed to do this or alcohol. This is kind of just what I had, so I was trying to use it up, but finished that. I did finish this moranga. I think I said that right. I talked about this in my Amazon, updated Amazon finds. I don't know if I've posted that video yet, but if I have, I'll link it below. If not, it's coming. But this is a repurchase. This is probably my third bottle of this. It definitely helps. It's supposed to help with keeping you from getting sick and help you from something with cancer. Look it up. I don't know. Someone told me about it after I got sick really, really bad a couple of years ago, and been using it ever since, and I really like it. So didn't help keep me from getting pneumonia, but it definitely, I think, does something. My kids also finished another one of this immunity support gummies. I talk about this also in my Amazon finds. I give them each one a day. I love it. I even took this when I was sick. It has elderberry in it. I don't know if it necessarily helped me because I still kept getting worse, but they tasted good, so that's always nice. I also finished up a vitamin E. I take vitamin E for skin every day, and finished this up. I like it. I did buy a different brand this time, but I've bought in this one probably 3 times, so I definitely like it. I just wanted to try something different. I wanted to try something a little bit higher amount. This has 400 IU, which I don't know what IU is, whatever that is. And I think the one I have now is 450, so not huge, but I kind of wanted to go a little bit higher. And then the last vitamin I used up was this echinacea. I take this every day. Hello. Obviously to help support my immunity, and I like it. It's easy. It's an easy supplement. I've already bought it. This is probably my 4th or 5th bottle. I do make my older children now stop doing the gummies, and they're taking one of these every day just to kind of give them something. I guess you're supposed to take 2 a day. Maybe that's why it didn't help me. Interesting. I'll have to think about that. I need to take 2 of them. All right, let's do skincare. So I finished up this Mario Badescu Hyaluronic Eye Cream. I absolutely love this. I love it for a daytime cream. I think it works really nice. I scrape this sucker clean. Definitely ready to purchase it. It is not expensive at all, which is always very nice. My daughter finished this Equate Beauty Deep Cleaning Cream Cleanser. This is supposed to be like the Neutrogena Deep Cleanse. She does not like this. She did finish it. I made her finish it before I bought the Neutrogena one, but that's the one she would prefer. She did not really care for that one, so I probably won't repurchase that. I did finish 2 Nivea chapsticks, mostly because I got sick and I kind of just wanted to toss them, and there really isn't tons left. I mean a good probably month or so. This one is completely gone, so I did use this one. But I love these. I use these in the morning. I keep one in my car. They're just easy chapsticks. I've already repurchased those. I love them. So Sadly, I finished my Clarins double serum. I do want to repurchase this eventually. It is just so expensive, so I haven't yet because I have so many other serums. But this is definitely one that I would consider repurchasing again. It works so good. I love the smell of it. It's like a, I don't even know what the smell is, but I think this makes my skin look so nice. I use it at night. Again, I'm super sad I'm out. Super sad. Because that was a pretty penny. I finished another one of this Lineage sleeping masks. I love this. This one was in the flavor or scent of vanilla. Didn't really smell like vanilla. I don't think the scents really are there, but I love that. I already have a backup or already using another one. I also finished this Somerville Exfoliate Cleanser. I really did like this. I don't know if I would spend the money on it. It isn't anything, or didn't make me like notice a huge difference. I don't know if I would repurchase it because of the price, but if I received it, I would definitely use it. It was good. It was nice, but yeah, I don't think I would spend my money on it. I did use this mask from Momoday. I don't know how to say that. Just a sheet mask. I hate sheet masks, but I'm trying to use up what I have. So I wouldn't repurchase it because I don't like them, but it was nice. It makes, I mean, they always make my skin feel nice, but nothing like I can tell a difference. A few other samples I use, okay, I use the Lancome Genifique Concentrate. It was okay, wouldn't buy it. I use the Tatcha Rice enzyme powder. Very interesting. I definitely would try it again, but I don't know if I would buy it at this point. I would want to try it a couple more times. I did use this body butter from Amala. I don't even know, but I wouldn't buy it. And then I used this Caudalie Vino Perfect. I love this brand. It was really nice. Not nice enough for me to go out and purchase. It wasn't like my favorite, but they were okay. All right, last I have is some makeup and beauty. I do have this perfume. It's from Ellis, Brooklyn, and Myth. I love this. I want to try this, or try it. I want to get a roller ball, because I don't need any more full-size perfumes of this so bad. Smells so good. You should definitely go smell it. Let's see if I can get some out. What does it smell like? It just smells so fresh, but not laundry fresh and not floral. I don't know. I really like that. I want to buy some. I think it smells so good. I am throwing out this Butter London nail polish. It just doesn't last on my fingernails. I think I painted my nails and then it was chipping within a few hours. Like, it didn't last at all doing my normal routine that I know keeps my nail polish on for at least a few days. So I'm just going to toss it. It's probably old anyways. I did finish this Glam Glow, oh, it's in their skincare, Mega Illuminating Moisturizer. I really like this. If I got another sample, I would definitely use it and enjoy it. Don't know if I would go out and buy it. If I saw it at TJ Maxx, I probably would. It was good. It made my skin feel nice. It did not peel under makeup, which is always an A+. Last but not least, I have some mascaras. I have the L'Oreal Telescopic. Love this. It definitely gives really good length. My daughter actually used this one up, and she used it dry. So good for her. She loved it. She already repurchased that. And she also finished this Lash Blast Volume from CoverGirl. She said this was not that good. She doesn't like big brushes. It is a huge honkin' brush. So if you don't like that, you won't like this, but she did use it up. I mean, it feels very dried, but she said she would never use that again. That is everything in my December empties. Let me know what you've used up. Let me know if you've used any of these products and what you think. I'm so happy to be back. Hopefully, health-wise, I will be good the rest of the flu season. I'm kind of quarantining myself a little bit at home right now to kind of get my immunity back strengthened, and so hopefully I'll be able to continually post videos a little more consistently now that I am not laying in bed. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.